Hey guys, episode 3 of my Bitcoin and crypto portfolio series. If you're more interested in stocks and shares, check out my stocks and shares portfolio series. On episode 4 of that now. But yeah, the crypto, just a short update this week because I haven't made any changes. But there's been some fair moves this week. Most of the coins seem to be going up sort of between 5 and 10%, sort of following Bitcoin. Bitcoin sort of showing about 5% move, and most coins, if nothing's particularly happening with it, they'll generally follow Bitcoin. Some have made a larger gain. Ethereum sort of trying to push on with their 2.0 release, so that's in sort of quite a big move. It's about 25% in the last week, which is pretty good. So that's a reasonable part of the portfolio now, £6,700 nearly. And Cardano, which is still really pushing on, they're coming up to the Shelley big update in the next few days. So yeah, that's seen again sort of 25% move. So that's pretty good. That's £5,500 now. So I only ever put I think about 2,000, maybe 2,500 in this. So yeah, the ADA Cardano's doing pretty well. Some of the others, like I say, sort of Litecoin, it's had slightly higher than average move. Haven't really seen too much news about that, so I expect it's just being a smaller cap than Bitcoin, it's following it. And slightly good news to see that the crypto is going up this week, where stocks have been sort of going down a little. It's nice to see crypto sort of being a little bit more detached from stocks, where it was looking like it was sort of moving in parallel, in correlation with stocks. Sort of wondering whether it's either just uncorrelated or whether it's sort of moving with gold and silver. Either would be good, really. It's good to have an uncorrelated hedge, if you like, to add to diversification. Or if it's moving with gold and silver, then it's sort of a digital gold, which is good. So yeah, pretty good. And yeah, so these are the smaller coins. As I say, not really too many changes in the others. They've mostly sort of gone up about 5 to 10% with Bitcoin. And yeah, I'll keep an eye out and give you an update next week. So leave any thoughts or comments, queries below, and like and subscribe if you haven't, if you're interested, and speak to you soon.